Bass. Nice.
Oh, no.
There you go. Levi's got another bass. There we go.
I'd say he's about pound 10. But anyways, yeah.
Oh, he came back. There we go, got one. This one's nice. And he weighs pound .30, 40 I mean. It's a good way to start. Just gonna throw him back. It's a nice one. Oh, Levi's got another one. Ah, nice. Seems to be a good size. Throw mine back. Okay, mine's gone. And Levi's is right here.
Caught him. He's nice. I think he's the biggest one I caught today.
Levi's got a bass. Ooh, that's a small one.
Hey, he's a nice color though.
Yeah.
I don't even think he's a pound, but yeah.
There we go.
Got a bass. Oh, big.
Not really. Average.
Got him.
Average.
Well, in this